Good morning, February 9th, Monday. A time to tune our inner filters. Today, in the Ingenuity workshop, we reveal a secret of natural biohacking. Message of the day is: let's use the magic of phytoncides. Phytoncides are more than just a pleasant scent of the forest. They are nature's true magic. The volatile immune system of plants. Pines, spruces, and junipers release these substances to protect themselves, and at the same time they heal us. The air in a coniferous forest is almost sterile. Here's how it works for us. Just 15 minutes among pine trees can lower cortisol levels and normalize blood pressure. This kind of reset, known as a forest bathing. It can last for several days. Hold a spruce branch in your hands or rub a few needles between your fingers. This instantly activates the volatile compounds just for you. Phytoncides act as a natural antibiotics and antiseptics. Conifer needles literally help wash out bacteria from our lungs, making breathing easier and strengthening immunity. The aromas of cedar and spruce also stimulate cognitive functions. Using phytoncides is a simple, accessible, and eco-friendly way to support your health. Step toward well-being. Find the nearest park or forest with coniferous trees. Remember, phytoncides are most actively released on sunny days. Take a few deep belly breaths. Yes, just like in our practice. Or bring a bit of forest into your home. A drop of fir or cedar essential oil on a tissue near your computer can create a true forest office atmosphere. If you use essential oils at home, turn on a humidifier It helps the particles stay longer in your breathing zone. And of course, don't forget the heavy artillery. Garlic and onion phytoncides are your reliable shield during the cold season. Use the wisdom of nature to reduce stress and feel energized and healthy. May your phytoncide shield protect your focus and calm throughout the whole week. I believe in each of you. Your Ingenuity Workshop from Advance Embrace.